Hello everyone, my name is Mashkur Ali. Are you trying to buy something big like a new phone or furniture but don't have enough money right now? Don't worry. In this video, I will explain how Progressive Leasing works. It's an easy way to get what you need today and pay for it over time without using a credit card. Let's break it down in simple words. We came to this article from Kabbage Loan Guide to get accurate information about Progressive Leasing. This article has a lot of details available about Progressive Leasing. When we scroll down a little in this article, it explains how Progressive Leasing works. It says, Progressive Leasing is a way to buy things without paying the full price upfront. Instead of using a credit card or loan, you make small payments over time. Progressive Leasing payments are typically made weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, depending on the terms of the lease agreement. Customers are required to make payments on time. Otherwise, they may incur late fees and other penalties. Progressive Leasing works by allowing you to lease items instead of buying them outright. Here's a simple explanation of how it works. Lease agreement. You enter into a lease agreement with Progressive Leasing to use the item while making regular payments. Ownership. Progressive Leasing owns the item until you complete all payments. Payments. You make small regular payments over time, usually monthly. Early purchase option. If you want to own the item sooner, you can pay off the remaining balance early, often at a discounted rate. End of lease. Once all payments are made, the item becomes yours. If you decide you don't want to keep the item, you can return it to Progressive Leasing following their return policy. So in this way, Progressive Leasing can be very beneficial for us, as long as we make the weekly or monthly payments on time. You will find the link to this article in the description, so you can read this information yourself.